Today we are here to learn the school bag items in Sinhala by language arts with VM. School bag is parcel bag. School bag is parcel bag. Book is pot. Book is pot. Notebook is satahan pot. Notebook is satahan pot. Pencil is pencil. Pencil is pencil. Pen is pen. Pen is pen. Lunchbox is kama pettiya. Lunchbox is kama pettiya. Pencil box is pencil pettiya. Pencil box is pencil pettiya. Eraser is makanaya. Eraser is makanaya. Glue is gum. Glue is gum. Foot ruler is adi ruler. Foot ruler is adi ruler. Scissor is katura. Scissor is katura. Let's recap. School bag is parcel bag. Book is pot. Notebook is satahan pot. Pencil is pencil. Pen is pen. Lunchbox is kama pettiya. Pencil box is pencil pettiya. Eraser is makanaya. Glue is gum. Foot ruler is adi ruler. Scissor is katura. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe if you haven't and share this among your friends. And please hit the like button and comment on this video. Bye. See you in our next video.